times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore.
Yan ang isip ko. Kasi magulo ang isip ko. Magulo ang isip ko. Ang isip niya ay napakalinaw. Ano siya? Siya yung nagpapakalma sa akin. Hindi ako naniniwala na may happy end. Kasi, ayun nga, iba nga yung outlook sa buhay. Hindi ako naniniwala sa ganyan-ganyan forever. Nagkaroon ng tatay yung mga anak ko. Binigyan niya ako ng family.
Be forevermore.
Napakaganda mo talaga. Ito na yung hinintay natin na matupad talaga ito. Alam ko naman na darating talaga tayo. Pero, yun pa man. Adjust. Mahal ka kayo sa'yo. I love you.
Dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. As endless as forever, our love will stay together. You're all I need to be with forever.
Mula nang naging tayo, I've been faithful to you. At kahit ilang milya ang layo ko sa'yo, I will be always faithful to our love. Up to this day, sa araw ng kasal, I promise to you at sa mga anak natin na magiging mabuting asawa ako at mapagmahal na ina sa mga bata. I will focus and prioritize our family dahil nothing else matter kundi kayo lang. Ikaw lang at ang mga anak natin.